Does your Audi have the Audi Park Assist Plus option, but you don't know how to use it? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to use the Audi Park Assist Plus option that helps you to park your Audi automatically, parallel or perpendicular. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. The Audi Park Assist Plus option is an assistant option that helps you to park your Audi automatically, parallel or perpendicular. The Audi measures and calculates whether it can park itself based on other vehicles or obstacles and not on parking lines. Therefore, if there are no other vehicles or obstacles in a parking area, the Audi cannot take a measurement and the system does not work. Besides, remember that the automated parking system is designed to assist you. It is always essential to stay attentive and aware throughout the process to prevent any damage. But how does the Audi Park Assist Plus option works? First, activate the Park Assist Plus option by pressing on this button on the lower display. The Park Assist Plus option will now be activated and is shown on the upper display. Choose on which side you would like to park your Audi. To find a suitable parking spot, drive slowly through the parking lot so that the Audi can make a correct calculation of its surroundings. When the Audi has found a suitable location, you will see that the parking space on the Audi MMI screen is marked by a P. If you'd like to park your Audi at the indicated spot, stop the vehicle. Based on the available options, you can now select how you would like to park your Audi, parallel or perpendicular. Take your hands off the steering wheel, take your foot off the brakes and press and hold the P button during parking. The Audi will now park itself automatically. When the Audi is parked, it will automatically put the car in park and a new message will appear on the Audi MMI screen confirming that the Audi is parked. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.